Okay, welcome back. And it's our last day of awards. Wow, I can't believe we've gone through 5 awards already.
I can't believe it, Morgan. That's crazy. We only have one last award to present.
Yes, that's so exciting. What will our last award be, Jimena?
Our last award is the UFMC Award for Inspiration. I am very honored to give this last award. The United Front Multicultural Commons Award for Inspiration is given to a class award nominee who embodies the true spirit of the UFMC, striving for unity and socially just community. This person both mentors and inspires others to become leaders and helps to create change within the United Front and campus community. This year, we have 2 recipients for the Inspiration Award. Our 2021 undergraduate student recipient of this award is Lord Mark Bautista. Congratulations.
Yay, and we have one more award. Our graduate recipient of the Inspiration Award is Valerie Mora. Congratulations, Valerie.
Congratulations to our last recipients, Mark and Valerie. You both truly deserve it. Although that was our last announcement, the fun isn't over just yet.
You're so right, Jimena. The final item of the class awards are to honor our graduates with their stoles.
These gorgeous Kent cloth stoles are specially made for the UFMC.
Yes, the colors are representative of the UFMC's mural and founding undergraduate student organizations.
We would like to acknowledge and thank everyone who made these awards possible. It simply would not be the same without you all. Once again, congratulations to all our award nominees, award recipients, the graduates, and their families and friends. As you leave the USD community and enter the world post-graduation, continue the work that you have done here at USD in your respective communities.
Yes, so thank you for having us as your host for the UFMC Class Awards. And today's code word will be UFMC. So be sure to DM us this code word for a chance to win a prize by midnight tonight. And happy Friday. Thank you so much for tuning in and helping us honor so many extraordinary individuals. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Thank you.